welcome back to Wendy's World. I'm going to do a slightly different tutorial in that I'm not going to show you how to color your hair. I have another tutorial already and it's called Clairol Natural Instincts, A More Beautiful You. I will link that up in my description box. Now what I'm doing this time is I've already colored my hair. I used semi-permanent on top of permanent and I want to see if it works. The color that I've chosen is 4RV Dark Burgundy from Clairol Natural Instincts. I will be right back after I've washed out my hair. There you have it. Look how beautiful it is. It was so easy to do. Clairol Natural Instincts, no ammonia. Such a reasonably priced product as well. No ammonia, so that means less chemicals, less processing. It only took 20 minutes to get these results. I saved a lot of money. I saved a lot of time. I couldn't go to a salon, and you can't go to a salon either. One of the things that we have difficulty with during the pandemic is the lack of control. So I've taken back that control. I cut my own hair. I also have a tutorial, and I'll link that up in my description box. And I colored my own hair. And I get these results. So do things for yourself. Take care of yourself during this time. Pamper yourself. I will see you next time on my next tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.